I am Jimmy John, presenting our paper on conceptual framework on gastrointestinal diseases. As we all know, I am presenting it with a patient perspective on this area. By conceptual framework, we mean it is the roadway or path we have to streamline various construct and variables to find out proper solution which may be preventive or curative for the diseases. My initial statement is that we can hire someone for everything we want. We cannot engage for bearing our sickness. So keep away all our sickness for every with a healthy life. Prevention is better than cure. Theme of our paper, digestive disorders. As we all know, factors which affect the digestion causes digestive disorders. If we see the statistics on digestive disorders in India, it is 22%, riding with the USA with the same 22%. Russia 12, Brazil 19, China 10, and Japan it is as low as 9. State of mind or happiness is a major contributing factor. Again, if we see the ranking of global nation based on happiness, India is 139 among the 149 nations, Pakistan 105 and Bangladesh 101. Finland, Switzerland and Denmark is on first, second and third position on the top of the list. Finding out the research gap is a major area to work up in every research. We have to arrange the work done and knowledge status on each concepts. Through systematic arrangements of these concepts, we have to find out proper research gap for the study where there is no knowledge and absolutely novel. In GAD, Ayurveda have a potential role as it is a natural and offers long-term curing. It is having variety of treatment protocols supplemented with yoga and meditation. The only necessity in the field of Ayurveda is clinical testing and validation. The conceptual framework for study of this disease has been outlined. Initial column reveals genesis such as racial or hereditary, climate, social, economic and mode of living. Keeping this in view, we have to classify everyone as normal persons and persons with disabilities. These persons have to be analyzed with factors such as food habit, lifestyle, environment, health and mental condition. All this contribute GAD such as constipation, diarrhea, GERD, Crohn's disease, ulcer, IBS and hemorrhoids. Upon developing GAD in case the patient how to go for medical attention, the alternative are allopathy, Ayurveda and homeo. All these have advantages and disadvantages which are clearly given in the next column. Concentrating on Ayurveda, the major trust area are given in the final column where we have find the solution with respect to every individual and with especially for differently able depending on their condition. In nutshell, we have to find out clear research gap, evolve a structured conceptual framework. Prevention and mental health is a major factor, and finally we have to build up immunity as we had done in the case of COVID virus. Thank you.